Natural light has the power to completely transform a home. It brightens interiors, enhances decor, and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. If you're looking for a window upgrade that maximizes daylight while adding architectural elegance, bow windows are an exceptional choice. For homeowners in Eagle, bow windows offer a beautiful way to optimize natural light while enhancing comfort and curb appeal. What makes bow windows unique? Bow windows are made up of 4 or more connected window panels that form a gentle outward curve. Unlike bay windows, which typically use 3 panels with sharper angles, bow windows create a smooth, rounded appearance. In Eagle homes, this curved design allows sunlight to enter from multiple directions. The expanded glass surface increases the amount of daylight that fills the room throughout the day. Bringing light in from every angle. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is their ability to capture light from various angles. Because of their curved structure, bow windows in Eagle residences allow sunlight to filter in even when the sun's position changes. This ensures rooms remain bright longer compared to flat, single-panel windows. Making rooms feel larger and more open. Natural light doesn't just brighten a room, it also creates the illusion of more space. In Eagle homes, bow windows can make living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms feel larger and more expansive. The added depth and glass area reduce visual barriers, creating an open and airy environment. Reducing the need for artificial lighting. With increased daylight, homeowners often rely less on artificial lighting during daytime hours. Bow windows in Eagle homes help illuminate interior spaces naturally, supporting both comfort and practicality. This enhancement makes everyday activities more enjoyable in bright, welcoming surroundings. Creating a stunning interior focal point. Bow windows naturally draw attention due to their graceful curve and expansive design. In Eagle residences, they often become the centerpiece of a room. Whether styled with seating, plants, or decorative accents, bow windows highlight the beauty of natural light and enhance interior design. Enhancing exterior appeal. Natural light optimization doesn't stop at the interior. From the outside, bow windows add architectural interest and depth. In Eagle neighborhoods, homes with bow windows often stand out for their elegant design and visual dimension. Pairing light with comfort. Modern bow windows are built with energy-efficient glass designed to manage heat transfer. Eagle homeowners can enjoy abundant sunlight without compromising indoor comfort. Advanced glazing options help maintain temperature balance while maximizing brightness. Flexible design options. Bow windows can be customized to complement a variety of home styles. Whether your Eagle home features traditional architecture or a more contemporary design, bow windows can be tailored with frame finishes and glass options that enhance overall aesthetics. Ideal placement for maximum impact. Bow windows are often installed in front-facing rooms, living areas, or spaces with scenic views. In Eagle homes, placing bow windows in key areas maximizes both natural light and outdoor visibility, strengthening the connection between interior and exterior spaces. A bright investment in beauty and function. Natural light plays a central role in how your home feels every day. For homeowners in Eagle, bow windows provide a stylish and effective way to optimize daylight while adding architectural charm. With their curved design, expansive glass panels, and energy-efficient features, bow windows enhance both beauty and comfort, creating brighter, more inviting living spaces year-round.